Welcome to Easy Language. Learn language easily. Let's start. Story 1. The Lost Key. Emma lost her house key. She searched her bag, her jacket, and her car. It was not there. She sat on the steps outside her house. Suddenly, her cat, Felix, came running to her. Felix was holding something shiny in his mouth. It was her key. Emma laughed and hugged Felix. "You are my hero," she said. Story 2. The Birthday Surprise. Tom woke up early on his birthday. The house was quiet. He felt sad because no one said, "Happy birthday." He went to the kitchen. Suddenly, his family shouted, "Surprise!" There was a big cake, balloons, and presents. Tom smiled and said, "This is the best birthday ever." Story 3. The Little Garden. Lucy loved flowers. She planted seeds in her small garden. Every day, she watered them and waited. One morning, she saw little green plants. After some weeks, colorful flowers appeared. Lucy smiled and said, "My hard work made this beauty." Story 4. The New Friend. Ollie started school in a new city. He felt shy and lonely. At lunch, a boy named Jack sat next to him. "Do you want to play football after school?" Jack asked. Ollie smiled and said, "Yes." They became good friends. Story 5. The Hungry Dog. Max, the dog, was very hungry. He saw a bone in the river. He jumped to catch it, but he fell into the water. The bone was just a shadow. Max swam back to the land. "Next time, I will be smarter," he thought. Story 6. The Lost Balloon. Sophia had a red balloon. A strong wind blew it away. She cried, "My balloon is gone." Her brother gave her his blue balloon and said, "Don't worry, Sophia. Now this is your special balloon." Sophia smiled and held it tightly. Story 7. The Snowman. It snowed all night. In the morning, Ben and Anna went outside. They made a big snowman with a carrot nose and a scarf. They laughed and played. When the sun came out, the snowman started to melt. "Goodbye, Mr. Snowman," they said. Story 8. The Helpful Monkey. A monkey lived near a river. One day, he saw a man fall into the water. The man shouted, "Help!" The monkey threw a long branch to the man. The man held the branch and came out of the water. "Thank you, smart monkey," he said. Story 9. The Scared Kitten. Mia found a small kitten near her house. It was cold and scared. She took the kitten inside, gave it milk, and wrapped it in a blanket. The kitten purred happily. "I will call you Lucky," Mia said. Story 10. The Brave Little Bird. A baby bird fell from its nest. It tried to fly but couldn't. A kind woman picked it up and put it back in the nest. The next day, the bird was flying high in the sky. "You can do it if you try," said the woman. If you enjoy these stories, please like, share and subscribe for more.